All right, folks, so we got a no heat call here. It's a customer. I think last summer we have a video where I replaced the condenser unit out here. I think I put a Weather King. But this right here, no heat call. Let's see what we can find. No heat call, no heat call.
Don't worry about it, man. Yeah. They didn't keep anything of yours, did they?
No.
I can call the front office, but it's not that security gate.
Yeah. I mean, I don't think it's. I showed him my handgun license. He said he needed a regular driver's license. I'm like, man, I can vote with this, but I can't use it to get up in here.
I put it in the special instructions to come. I said, it's because it asked for a gate code, and I said, just need your driver's license. But no big deal, bro. I don't think I can.
Now he was cool about it though. He said,
you know, the furnace is in the attic, so there's two of them. I'm not even. I think the one on the right side is not working.
Okay. All right, we'll figure it out.
One of them is running right now, so it's not too warm up there or something.
Okay, that feels good. Something making a lot of noise up there. Cool set. All right, so let's note cool set. Set the heater now, right? That's the downstairs. That's the one that we do here. Working, but you know it's loud. So it's the downstairs. This is not the one that the complaint is about, but I just want to see what the noise is. Noise that induce a fan motor. But this the one he says is not working. Let's see if we got any alarms, but it is set for cool mode. That's a Nest thermostat. It's easy to use. I got one up and downstairs, so I know you know how to call it for heat. So we got a solid on. I think that's just normal operation. Continue is on 24 volt power. So I'm gonna go to the thermostat, call for heat. And before I leave, we'll we can quiet that down. There we go to mode. Heat. So the 2 hours mean that it'll take 2 hours to get to 76 degrees. That's the cool thing about the Nest though. It kind of tell you how long it takes to reach that set point. All right, so it should be calling for it. What we got? We got an alarm. 1, 2, 3. Got a 23. Press a switch. So when I say 23, I'm just counting the blinks. It's a double blink. So it's a 23 pressure switch. Let's see. All right, let's count now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So we got 2 slow blinks and 3 fast. So that's a pressure switch. Sound like the induced fan motor not turning on at all. turning the other unit off. It's warm in the house. I already tell this thing probably ain't no good. Look at this. There's something broke right here. You're gonna need a new motor. Look, all this stuff fell down. What happened up in here? Oh man. Well, that's the first. Hey, why they got this way over here? I'm gonna turn this one now. Yep, that's that inducer fan motor over there. Looks like this thing gonna need a whole, put a new inducer fan motor and so it's around spring break in March. Upstairs unit, I'm gonna probably replace this whole little setup. Can't believe that. Can't. Did that unit satisfy? All right, man. Where do we want to start? Unit over here went in a 33 alarm. I don't know if they had problems with this one, flame rollout. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. They would probably run it fine. The only thing I did with that one was turn it off. Not too bad. Take a look at this. So I just had this pressure switch in my truck. Ain't nothing wrong with it. I'm gonna put it on here. This a 48. This a 48, and this a .47 on here. Inches of water column. Ain't that much of a difference. I didn't want to see if it'll turn on anyway. I started to take the other one out the other unit. They were the same exact just to see if it'll work, but you don't want to take a chance of me taking that other one off. It'll pop off and break. You won't have no heat. See it. Maybe like this. That's really the same one. Yeah. Same exact one. Almost. So this one, nah, it's kind of different, but it'll work. Try not to. I don't want to. Just let it hang. All right, so orange is common. Yellow normally open. I can mount that somewhere else. Ain't no big. I just want to see if it turn on. Oh, turned on. Still have to see if that press switch gonna close it. Yep, close it. There's that igniter. think it'll work. I'm still gonna come back and put a new pressure switch on here, but it's good for temporary. Like I say, it's gonna warm up. It's the middle of March. I think it's about March the whatever date it is. Let me see. All right, today is March the 7th. So that'll give some temporary cooling. I mean, I could come back today, tomorrow. But I am gonna put a new motor here. Like I say, it runs, but with this thing, it's probably mess up those bearings. I'm sure the little plastic little wheel thing is some type of balance tool. And this will be all right, just hanging right here for right now. And I'll let them know I just put that on there for temporary. It'll work. I have no safety concerns. And that should heat up the bedrooms upstairs until we get back. This one right here seems to be working fine as well. This one needs maintenance though. I'm gonna clean that what's-it-called out on that one. May go ahead and see if you want to go ahead and change that inducer motor out. I think that's what we need to do. Just making that loud noise. I was looking, I think it may be the bearings going out. I was looking around, I don't see any air gaps. I'm not really familiar with that noise. I would have to say bad bearing. I'm gonna change that one. And yep, 2 inducer fan motors, 1 pressure switch. Hi y'all, thanks for watching.